Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Thursday, October 16, 2019. Our 1958 16-foot Penn Yan Sealiner is at the stage where her transom has been, and transom parts have been varnished. How many coats, Joe, did you?
I got 15 on them.
We've got 15 coats. You can see that Joe sanded the gloss off in preparation for assembly. He is now assembling the transom frame to the transom blank itself, bedding it in 5200 so that we have a super solid bond between the two pieces of wood all the way along. You'll have to clean all that with 333 afterwards, right? Interlux 333.
Yeah, and I do go through, every time I get one piece done, I clean it up. That way it makes at the end where it's not starting to set up at all. That way when you get the varnish, get another couple coats of varnish on it, you won't be seeing any pink lines. It'll all blend in and be mahogany color.
So once the frame and the blank are together, we will be at that moment where our Sealiner will receive her new transom, and we will certainly do a video of that. Several people have asked to see that process as we do it. You can see what Joe's done is to position every piece exactly where it will be once it is 5200 down and then screwed down. I'll have to say this pneumatic Makita caulking gun, it's a piston gun, is a lot more controllable and efficient than the pneumatic tubes we were using running off the big central compressor in the shop. If Joe was using that right now, he'd be fighting the air hose.
And not only that, with the air, with the one that runs off of air, when you let go of the trigger, you're still going to want to have continuous bead come out of it because there's built up air pressure in it. Where this one, as soon as you let go of the trigger, it stops. And it makes it so it's a lot cleaner.
And I notice you're also able to lay down a much finer bead.
Way better. The other one, it's not as bad for when you're doing a 5200 bottom, because therefore you need a lot of 5200. But when you're doing this, you can literally lay out your an 1/8 inch bead all the way across the entire piece. And once this all gets laid on, all the air gets pressed out of it, and that way you're getting 100% coverage.
So Joe's gonna keep on working here. You can see he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, counting the one he's applying the 5200 to right now, frame members, each of which will receive exactly this same procedure, then be screwed down. Joe will clean all around the perimeter of each piece before the next one goes down. So when we're back with you for the next update and major milestone, we will be installing the 58 Sealiner's new transom in her hull. So that's our update for now. We'll be back to you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.